Today we're going to be unboxing the BPL Rio 2 in rust. This fixture is also available in black. Inside the box you'll find a 1/2-inch ground spike, you'll find a stem riser, and a 20-watt standard halogen bulb. This fixture is also compatible with LED. To gain access to put the bulb in the fixture, you'll be using a Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the bulb. Now you have the screws unscrewed. Take the first 2 tiers off. There will also be protective things to remove. And now you're able to simply unscrew the globe. Now taking the bulb, pressing the bulb in firmly. Now you're ready to assemble. Screwing the bulb back on, making sure the gasket is still intact. Now, to put the stem onto the fixture, simply pass the 18-2 direct barrel cord through the stem and screw onto the fixture. Now to put on the ground spike, still using the 18-2 direct barrel cord, pass it directly through the ground spike and onto the fixture.